Yes, we promised to bring you stocks in focus. From our earlier video, the stocks in focus are next Netflix up 2.1% in the pre-markets on Friday, December the 11th, 2019. The stock was upgraded to a strong buy. Chico's FAS Inc. up 1.9%. Is to close 250 stores. Activision Blizzard Inc. down 9.25%. Ceding rights to Destiny franchise to Bungie Inc. So we'll quickly have a look and see what's going on with these stocks. Let's quickly dive into yes, Netflix. Quickly going. We didn't get the NFLX. So select it properly. Go. Yes, that's Netflix. It closed yesterday. Look at us. Wednesday's close. So this is what it did on Thursday. So we'll quickly have a look over here. Put call ratio 0.9. 1 day. Put call ratio 30 days 0.8. Market capitalization 141.6 billion. Short interest 3.2%, gradually creeping up for a major stock. Even though that figure is not enough, it's not a lot, but it does it indicates something is going on, something might be building up. So let's have a look at the chart. Of course, Netflix was affected by the recent sell-off in December, and a lot of commentators have advised to avoid Netflix and co. So what are we seeing here? What can we see here? It is at 324.66. That's what it closed up, and it has breached its upper limit, and of course, then significantly trading higher than its simple moving average. What could that be indicating? Yes, it's indicating that for sure Netflix has performed better. And let's see when this happened. Just in this month alone, it has significantly outperformed a lot of its related trackers. That is the upper and lower limits, and the simple moving average has outperformed them. And yeah, with that short ratio, yes, what can we say? Even though it's not a lot, but it's not going to take a long time before that all that is covered. Let's see what it is, what it's going to take to cover all of that short ratio. Well, maybe not so much, maybe just a day or two, but something is going on here. It has performed its simple moving average. It's for sure an indication that people who are trading Netflix are bullish, and then with that short interest there, I think Netflix in a very, very, very short time can be an interesting stock to watch. So let's quickly go back and see the other ones. Chico FAS. Chico's, yes, that's a CHS. Research it. So let's quickly have a look at the summary. So this is what it did on Wednesday, on Thursday rather. Put call ratio as of 1 day is 6.1, 30 days 2.0, market cap 745 million, short interest 16.1%. So wow, it closed 1.9%. It's up 1.9% in the pre-market, and with that short interest, man, I will presume that it might be something to watch when the markets open. Let's see what the charts are saying, because that news will scare the people who have this 16.2 who have that figure in the who are part of that figure, who are part of that short interest figure. Let's see now. Okay, recently in this new year, it outperformed it breached its upper limit, performed its simple moving average, and yes, as of yesterday, it was declining to converge with its simple moving average. But with the news that we are hearing now that it's going to close 250 stores, something that might be different, that we might see something different entirely. So let's quickly dive in and see what Activision Blizzard is doing, what the market has about it. So we're going here, type in Activision ATVI. That's it down here, ATVI. ATVI. Okay. Higher than it closed on Wednesday, because what we're looking at right now is not Friday's figure. Friday's figures and charts. It's that of Wednesday, and then we look on this side. 52-week range is 43 to 84, and short interest not a lot, 2.4%. So, but it is down 9.25%. That figure might it spiked, but of course it wouldn't reflect on that. But towards the middle of the year, we'll find out what that figure is like, and we'll go out to the chart and see what Activision has in stock. Yeah, it has this sinusoidal charting from August. It has been able to do this sinusoidal charts with its with the indicators we have there. There is upper and lower limit, simple moving average, and then its price chart. At the moment, it is coinciding very much with its upper limit, breached it somewhat, and then but it is definitely outperforming its simple moving average, meaning that Activision is of risk. I mean, based on the recent figures, it has performed. It is bullish. Based on the average figures that is available for it, it has performed. It has outperformed its average average data. But the fact that it is ceding rights to Destiny franchise to Bungie Inc., people have in the pre-market dumped a lot of it, and some of it might some of that might run into its short interest. But yes, we've updated you on the Activision Blizzard Inc. But we will put